So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Invoice2Go subscription. Now there's a few ways you can do this, so let's just follow along. So the first way would be going to the app itself. So if you have it still installed on your phone, you can do it through here. Then you can see underneath home, clients, invoices, estimates, and more. So you can see options on here, but that's not really important. You should go to your profile in the top right. So let's click on that. So from here, you can see the upgrade version. You can switch or add account, personal info, company info, account ID, manage subscription, restore purchase, and account deletion. So from there, click on manage your subscription. And on there, you can see plan, next payment, invoices remaining, clients remaining, storage remaining, and you can see cancel subscription. So if you click on that, it's gonna open up this tab. So before you go, what's your reason? So you can add the reason, then you can click on next. And from there, you're going to be asked if you're sure about deleting your, or rather removing your subscription or unsubscribing. And after that, you should click on next. So it's going to give you the option to actually unsubscribe. So from there, you're not going to be priced the next month or next year, whether or not you chose the annual or monthly payment method. So from there, it's gonna be quite limited the way that you can actually use your Invoice2Go. So it really requires a paid version, but if you have maybe a stronger version, you would wish to switch it to a different subscription, you can do that as well. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Invoice2Go or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.